Many of you have provided the feedback related to my last video, which was addressed to President Xi from China and Georgieva Kristalina, who is the leader of the IMF. This video was, we were requesting no funding, no financial or bailout to the Sassou Denis regime. And many of you have provided your feedback about that video. I would like to thank you all. Many of you also have asked a few questions about our position in the south of Congo of getting ourselves from the entity Congo. As you know, I'm going to just provide you a quick answer. I was born in the south of Congo, and I'm proud of being a Congolese or someone who was born in the south. I would like also to let you know that our Congo people are proud of being themselves. This is said, I always thank Canada to provide me all of these opportunities, which is schooling, jobs, and everything, the family, a good living here. And I will always be part of this country, part of Canada. However, please remember that the land you was born will always call you back, especially when your people are living there, are seeking for your help. Our goal is to maintain our people within a south of Congo. They should not run away from their land. They should stay there, build the south of Congo by building school, hospital, university, factories, providing job to their kids, good wealth, providing also the wealth in the south of Congo. Then change the image that people always have for Africa. Then we can also change the view that people have. You know, a lot of people try to portray the bad image in Africa in the West. And we want to change that. That's why we don't want our people to flee their country so that they can come in Europe or wherever they can, because they try to find a better life. The south of Congo is very rich. We have all of the raw mineral, natural resources, water. We don't need to come here. We don't need to go in the West. We want to stay there and build our land. However, we are facing a huge issue, a huge problem with the people coming from the north of the entity Congo, especially with the Moshi. They are the ones who are bringing a bad attitude there, killing people, stealing money, bringing their friend, mercenary. They can kill, they can destroy, they can sell the land of the people, and we cannot sustain that anymore. This has been going for more than 60 years now, 60 years. And if you were to see with the natural resources that we own, nothing is there who can show that this country is producing oil, this country is producing gold, this country is producing diamond. Nothing can demonstrate that we have all of this raw mineral, all of these natural resources. Nothing. Everything is broken, from schooling system, healthcare system. There is no job. Everybody keep crying. The country is under financial bankruptcy because of one man, because of one ethnical group. And no, this has to stop. The politics should not be the politics of killing. The politics should not be the politics of stealing. The politics should not be the politics of destroying, handing people life like that. No, this is bad politics. It's a very weak, bad leadership. The politics in Congo is a mafia. There is no factory in Congo. there is no job in Congo because of people in power or political leader. This has to stop. In the South, we have young people with brilliant ideas. They will come, great idea. They will try to build it, change the way of doing politics, the way of doing economy. That's what people want. People want to bring food on the family table. But right now, even to get a little bread, it's very tough. This has to end, and we will end it by kicking out this guy, taking out of the north people in the South. We will kick them away from the South, and we will try to reorganize ourselves through a different mindset of a federal democracy. That's what we are planning to do. So that not either one family will be leading the whole country. No, we will end that. The corruption system, we will end the corruption system. You know, the police, it's not a police anymore, it's a mercenary, right? The army is not a national army anymore, it's a mercenary. It belongs to one person, one individual. That belongs to the Sassou Denis regime with his friends. That has to end. That's why we are fighting, right? We are talking every day about this, right? I'm pretty sure that the last video went very far. And that's why we are getting a lot of feedback about that video, a lot of questions about that video. Our people want to stay in their land. They want to be free. They want to govern themselves, right? With the young, visionary people who has a great idea, a brilliant idea to develop themselves right there in the South of Congo. They don't want their kid to be taking the sea, traveling or dying in the sea, because they want to go to Europe to find a better life. The better life is there, right there in Africa, in the South of Congo. We are asking for you just to assist us to build our own country with a new mindset based on a freedom of thought, of speech, based on a good, great economy, based on job. That's what we want. Again, I would like to thank you all. Please come to us. Let's work together so we can light the South of Congo by building the South of Congo. We are willing to work with everyone. If you are coming with a good faith of making businesses, our land will be open for you, right? Here we are trying to see how much money you will bring, and we will discuss, we will try to see how we will be running business together, so everyone will benefit from it. It's not like the French are doing right now. They're trying to, what they're saying, they're giving the gun to the Sassou, so they can come and taking our natural resources as they want it. In the South of Congo, it's not going to be like that. Thank you for your help. Thank you for every feedback you have provided. Let's keep working together and let's build the South of Congo and make our people proud of being the Congolese. Thank you. See you next time.